Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use your internet browser or any network related apps on G3 AIO. And to do this, first let's open the browser and actually try to reach any website like this one. As you can see, we have an error, and to fix this you will need to close the browser, open a start, go to the settings, locate time and language, then select date and time and set time automatically. If you go back to your browser and try to reach the same website, also you might need to wait about a minute till everything synchronizes. But from now on it should work fine like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.